Buongiorno, everybody. Or how do we say hello in Japanese?
Konnichiwa, I guess.
Konnichiwa. Nico and I are on an adventure today, and we are downtown doing a special event for Nico because he had a hankering for Japanese food. So what did you ask me to take you for?
Tayaki. It's little filled fish-shaped waffles.
All right, so let's have a look. We're here at BeanFish, which specializes in Tayaki. We tried this at a school fair that Nico had last year, I guess it was. And Nico is really a fan of Japanese culture. So last night we were talking about Tayaki, and he asked me if we could please come down and find where the BeanFish truck was today in Seattle. So we're near Uwajimaya. So can you guys tell me what you're putting inside our Tayaki today?
Well, this has Kalbi beef, kimchi, and pepper jack cheese. The bacon one is our top seller. It actually got us on national TV in Japan twice.
Holy cow!
So we are on NHK and TBS.
All right.
And it has thick cut peppered bacon, cheddar cheese, egg, tater tots, and green onion.
Okay.
The Princess Ichigo has Nutella and strawberries. And the Tayaki has crack pie, modeled after Christina Tosi's Milk Bar in New York.
Wow, yeah, so Nico and I both chose a savory. Oh, we both chose a savory and a sweet. So it's basically like a waffle iron. So is the dough essentially waffle dough?
Waffle batter, yes.
Okay, it's waffle batter.
Just
Okay.
like your grandmother used to make.
Okay.
Maybe better.
So you could kind of fake something like this at home using a waffle iron. Yeah, okay. Because this is a specialized one that's shaped like a fish. Why are they shaped like fish?
In Japan, apparently, well, like in many Asian cultures, they believe around the new year, if you eat a whole fish, it'll bring you good luck and prosperity.
Oh, okay.
So it works that way in Japan as well. But it started over there in the early 1900s.
Very cool. Beautiful, look at those. Yeah, so you could totally make something like this at home. We could do this as a Cucina Quarantena at home. We could try making our own homemade ones.
Yeah.
They sell the
Obviously.
Tayaki pans on Amazon.
Do they?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Well, not this style, but
Yeah.
the home version.
These are all kind of... Oh, looks so good.
So what kind are you making down there?
A bacon one,
Okay.
one with strawberries and Nutella, and vanilla custard.
Oh, the vanilla custard is one of the classic flavors, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Okay. Yeah, and actually we need to get one more. We forgot. We have to get one for Nico or for Luca because the most classic flavor is the bean curd. Is that right?
Yes, the
Yeah,
alcohol
Okay.
Red bean paste.
Red bean paste.
red bean paste.
I haven't tried that one before.
No, this is
That Japanese festival that we were talking about earlier, I tried the kernel custard, but I didn't actually try the red bean paste. The kernel custard is the one with the vanilla custard in it.
Okay, so vanilla custard. So let's take a look at their menu, and you can see what other things they have available. So they've got, Jiro, the original sweetened red bean, the bacon one, which is what Nico got, kernel custard. I'm kind of experimenting. I got the K-pop, which is kalbi beef, kimchi, and pepper jack cheese, which might have been an error. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. And the Princess Ichigo, that's what Nico got, with strawberries, Nutella, and powdered sugar. But wow, so many good. Oh, I should have gotten the Roscoe-san. That sounds really good too. Yeah, so we're going to have to think about this and go home and try to make our own filled Tayaki. So yeah, it's not teriyaki, but Tayaki. So this truck is called BeanFish, and we're here down at Uwajimaya in the International District of Seattle. All right. Oh, no, go ahead. Go ahead.
So these are honey butter chips. They're a thing in South Korea and New York and right here at this truck. Please enjoy those.
Oh, thank you.
So much.
we can start it for you.
Here, step over.
One Shiro, and then one I love you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Katie.
So Nico, what has given you a fascination with Japanese culture? Because I know you're taking Japanese right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what do you like about Japanese culture?
It's just it's so odd. Like, in comparison to American culture, it's just so weird and different. And it just really fascinates me how different Japan is from the United States.
Yep. So Nico and I are down here at Uwajimaya today, and we're going to pop into the shop because I think one of the things we would like to do for you guys is do a little lesson on how to make sushi, or we call it smooshie in our house. So Nico and I are going to try making you guys some Japanese food this week. So smooshie, and we'll see what else we can come up with. And Nico will take the lead because I'd like to pass Cucina Quarantena over to Adventures with Sarah and Sons. So, so live from downtown Seattle, with our face masks on. We are here having, as I said, Tayaki from BeanFish. Here's their truck, and you can find their website. It's
Pretty hard to miss.
it's beanfish.net, I think, is their website. And if you live here in Seattle, you can find out where they are. They move around all different places. And on Saturdays, they're down here downtown at Uwajimaya. So here's the downtown of Seattle. There's the Columbia Center, and that's the field over there. So.
And there's a Daiso behind us, too.
And a Daiso, yep. So thank you guys for joining me for a little snippet from Cucina Quarantena on the road, and we hope to bring you another one later this evening where we're actually cooking, right?
Yeah.
All right. And how do you say goodbye in Japanese?
I forgot.
Sayonara. I
Oh
think.
yeah, sayonara.
Sayonara. All right, everybody. We'll see you later.
Never
Ciao.
remember that.